Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6060, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 6060? What's the symbolism of 6060? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 6060 mean for love? What does 6060 mean for twin flames? What does 6060 for manifestation? How does angel number 6060 affect finances? What does 6060 mean for former relationships? How does 6060 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 6060? What are the weaknesses of angel number 6060? What's the meaning of angel number 6060? Angel number 6060 is a message about finding harmony between the material and spiritual aspects of life. It emphasizes the importance of home, family, service to others, and spiritual awareness. The number 6 stands for nurturing, responsibility, and domestic stability, while the 0 amplifies spiritual energy and divine presence. Together, 6060 urges you to release material fears and trust that your needs will be met as you focus on love, balance, and personal growth. This angel number often appears when you need to recenter, simplify your life, and create emotional and spiritual security within and around you. What's the symbolism of angel number 6060? The symbolism of 6060 lies in the balance between the physical and spiritual. The repeating SIXS symbolize home, care, and earthly responsibilities, while the zeros highlight divine energy, eternity, and spiritual focus. 6060 suggests that while it's necessary to handle practical concerns, your inner world must not be neglected. This number symbolizes a call to deepen your connection with loved ones and your higher self. It may also represent healing or resolution within family dynamic. Ultimately, 6060 is a symbol of grounded spirituality, living in alignment with your values while trusting the universe to guide and support you. What is the angel number 6060 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 6060 encourages you to trust in divine support while realigning your life with higher principles. The number asks you to shift focus from material concerns to spiritual well-being, knowing that your needs will be provided for. The 00 magnifies your connection to the divine and urges deeper faith, meditation, and mindfulness practices. The SIXS promote compassion, service, and inner peace. This number often appears when you're being called to surrender worries and embrace a life centered on love, gratitude, and spiritual purpose. It's a reminder to nurture your soul just as much as your body. What does the angel number 6060 mean for love? In love, 6060 points to emotional harmony, mutual care, and the importance of building stable foundations. This number emphasizes the need for nurturing relationships and showing consistent support to your partner. If you're in a relationship, it may signal a time to focus on creating balance and deeper emotional intimacy. If single, 6060 encourages you to evaluate what you truly need in a partner and to heal past wounds before attracting love. It promotes patience, compassion, and trust in divine timing. This number also suggests that love should feel peaceful, secure, and aligned with your emotional and spiritual values. What does angel number 6060 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 6060 signifies the importance of healing, balance, and emotional maturity. It often appears when both individuals are being guided to focus on inner growth and nurturing their sense of self before union or reunion. The SIXS highlight the necessity of harmony, care, and emotional grounding, while the zeros signify divine timing and soul connection. 6060 reminds twin flames that their journey is not just about passion, but about creating a balanced, spiritually rich relationship. It encourages patience, forgiveness, and working through issues that prevent a stable, loving connection from fully manifesting. What does angel number 6060 for manifestation? Angel number 6060 supports manifestation by urging you to align your desires with emotional and spiritual fulfillment rather than just material gain. The SIXS remind you to focus on what truly matters: love, health, and inner peace, while the zeros amplify spiritual connection and universal energy. This number suggests that when you manifest from a place of gratitude, faith, and balance, your goals are more likely to be realized. 6060 also asks you to release fears or blocks related to scarcity and instead trust in divine provision. Clarity, intention, and emotional alignment are key to manifesting under this number's influence. How does angel number 6060 affect finances? Angel number 6060 encourages a more spiritually aligned approach to money and resources. It reminds you to not obsess over material gain, but rather to focus on creating financial stability that supports a meaningful, balanced life. The number 6 represents responsibility and service, while 0 adds spiritual depth. This number may appear when you're being guided to shift from fear-based thinking about finances to trust in abundance. Generosity, wise budgeting, and responsible choices are emphasized. 6060 can also signal that unexpected help or divine support will arrive when you let go of financial anxiety and adopt a more peaceful mindset. What does angel number 6060 mean for former relationships? In relation to past relationships, 6060 brings a message of healing, forgiveness, and emotional closure. It encourages you to reflect with compassion, release resentment, and learn from the experiences you've had. The SIXS promote emotional maturity and acceptance, while the zeros represent spiritual release and new beginnings. This number reminds you that clinging to past hurt can block future joy, and now is the time to find inner peace and let go. Whether it's through understanding or emotional detachment, 6060 calls you to embrace healing so that you can move forward free from past burdens and regret. How does angel number 6060 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 6060 suggests focusing on balance, service, and work that aligns with your values. The number encourages you to create harmony between professional obligations and personal life. You may be called to careers that involve nurturing, teaching, caregiving, or spiritual work. If you're overworking or feeling disconnected from your job, 6060 is a prompt to reassess your priorities and choose a path that nurtures your soul as well as your wallet. It also encourages teamwork, cooperation, and service-oriented leadership, reminding you that fulfillment at work comes from both purpose and personal well-being. What are the strengths of angel number 6060? The strengths of angel number 6060 include compassion, emotional intelligence, balance, and deep spiritual awareness. Those influenced by this number often possess a nurturing nature and a strong sense of responsibility to others. They are grounded, family-oriented, and have the ability to create peaceful, stable environments. Spiritually, they trust in divine timing and often act as sources of comfort or healing for those around them. Their ability to find calm in chaos and maintain a holistic view of life makes them strong leaders in both personal and professional settings. 6060's energy encourages consistency, faith, and heart-centered living. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6060? Weaknesses associated with angel number 6060 include over-sacrificing, emotional dependency, or becoming overly fixated on others' needs. People influenced by this number may struggle with setting boundaries or fear instability, leading to clinging behaviors or burnout. The nurturing energy of 6 can become imbalanced when it turns into codependency, while the influence of 0 may cause spiritual uncertainty if not grounded. Additionally, an excessive focus on material security can block spiritual growth. 6060 warns against neglecting personal needs or staying in stagnant situations out of fear. Growth comes by balancing care for others with self-love and personal empowerment.